Hi, my name is Marcy Richardson. I am playing the Candied Violet in Nutcracker Rouge this year. My character of the Candied Violet in Nutcracker is very joyful, exuberant. She has that joie de vivre, very bubbling over with just joy and cheer. She's also very passionate and sensual. There's a section of the piece where she gets very languid and sexy, but overall she's very joyful and exuberant. First and foremost, I am an opera singer, and 10 years ago I picked up pole dancing and circus arts, so my MO these days is I am an opera singing acrobat. So I do full acrobatic pole routines or aerial routines while singing opera at the same time. Community to me is a group of people that are all working towards a common goal, often really like-minded people. Community is all a group of people that are pulling together for the greater good. I would say if you want to do theater, you have to be prepared for a lot of disappointment and rejection. That's definitely a thing, and to be open-minded to constructive criticism as much as possible. Beauty to me it's whatever is pleasing to the senses in some way, be it aesthetically pleasing or pleasing to the ear. It's something that makes you want to, stop and say, I want to experience that, or it's an act, doing something kind for someone is beautiful. So I think beauty is something that gives you pleasure and makes you feel good. MAC has been my lifelong go-to makeup since I was at least 16 years old. I remember reading somewhere that Russian red was the shade of red that looked great on everybody. So from a very young age, I was doing show choir at this point, I was wearing Russian red, and I got on the MAC train, and it looked great on me then, and it looks great on me now. I'm a red lip kind of girl, in case you didn't notice. As I said, I can't stand myself without a lip. And as soon as I got my first summer stock gig in college, you go somewhere in the cornfields and you do theater for $100 a week or something like that. If you present MAC with your resume or proof that you're a working artist, you can join the MAC Pro program. So I joined MAC Pro as soon as I possibly could from, I think I was maybe 20 years old, and I've used and loved MAC this entire time, and I'm just so thrilled that the companies I work with also use MAC, because again, it feels like home. Company XIV, we're offering a digital holiday package of Nutcracker Rouge, 8 specialty acts that were created specifically for this package, and each one features also a specialty cocktail tutorial made by one of our beautiful dancers. And there are multiple ways you can give the gift. You can just do the digital series. You can also treat yourself to a beautiful barware set, or you can treat yourself to the series, the barware set, and all of the fabulous ingredients to make these beautiful cocktails as well. I think that's it. It's like simple yet complex all at once.